everyone, this is Maria, and this is, right back here, Joey. Say hi, Joey.
Hi, Joey.
Okay, so we're going to do an update, right, Joey, on the unboxing we did last week, the unboxing you did for Jack and Sal. Okay, Joey, take it away, honey.
Okay, since the week we've posted a video, we've had a couple of comments, nothing major, but we want to try and make it correct to the way the things were designed. First one was we had this collar, I put it up just a little bit too high. So all we have to do is kind of bring it down lower. There, is that
Oh, that
better?
looks good. I think that looks good. But the person that left that comment, Joey, they were saying actually that maybe when they go back in and take a look at the design that it's actually supposed to go lower, right?
Yep, because actually, if you look at the video, it should probably be down there further.
Oh, okay.
So, but this is what we have to work with. So we'll just go ahead and leave it right there. Put it back on.
Okay. Now it's going back up.
Yeah.
There it goes. That looks good, Joey.
Yep, so there we go.
Okay, so Jack looks fine.
That takes care of Jack. As far as Sally goes, we've had a lot of comments about the arm being the incorrect one.
Right.
And so what that basically came down to is that the torso module, I flipped it. And I guess it really doesn't matter which arm moves, but according to design, this one should move. So let's go ahead and change it to the correct design.
Okay. And then I had some film footage of this particular Sally that was set up at Spirit, the one we purchased, right, Joey?
Yeah.
The floor model, and her arm with the rose was moving.
So first thing we do, we'll take the arms off.
Okay. So thanks everybody who left comments because we didn't know. So we really appreciate it, right, Joey?
Yep.
We also appreciate all the views on this video. Oh my gosh, we cannot believe it.
Yeah.
So Joey, you're a star.
I'm a star.
You're my star.
Yeah.
Someone even mentioned that I should make you more oatmeal cookies, Joey.
That sounds fair.
Believe me, Joey gets plenty of oatmeal cookies. There we go.
First we move the head.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take this piece, because this is the one that has the motor on it. So we're going to flip it around.
Okay.
So that the motor will operate this side.
Alrighty. You guys were really helpful. I mean, you have a lot of information and we really do appreciate it. Because we're like a grandma and grandpa, right, Joey?
That's it.
Actually, Joey's really handy, like a lot of you have mentioned. In fact, he's building something really cool right now for Halloween, but we're going to make that a surprise. Right, Joey?
That's right.
Well, Joey told me not to say anything yet, so mum's the word for just a little while.
Yep.
Oh, so do you have to take that whole thing off?
Yep. The whole thing's got to come apart.
By the way, you guys, Joey and I were at Lowe's. We went to 3 different Lowe's between last night and today, and we were looking for those Whirl of Motion Nightmare Before Christmas lights, but they're all sold out. And so if you guys have seen them or if you bought them, let us know in the comments below. We saw 2 different sets. One was in color and the other was black and white. Oh, you have to take her all apart. I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
So why did you have to remove her legs?
Because we had everything facing that way.
Oh, okay.
Everything has to be reversed. Come over to this side now.
Okay. Do you have to put the white skirt on first? The white slip?
Oh, good. It'll go underneath of it. So
Oh,
I
okay.
put it under first, but
Yeah.
we go ahead and put that underneath. I think this is just like a protection from the mechanism.
Oh,
Add
okay.
some color to it.
So Joey and I went to another Spirit on Friday that just opened, and they had Jack and Sally there. So maybe they just sold out at the store that we went to, right, Joey?
Yeah. Well, yeah, the one we went to had just opened, so.
Right. They were open like 2 days, and they had sold out. And
Yeah.
so the day that we went to this other store the other night, they literally just opened that day. So I think that was Friday night, if I'm not mistaken. Friday night or Saturday night. Ah, her leg has a dent in it, Joey. Right here.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's just the way they manufactured it, and the way it got shipped, and the way it got boxed.
Okay. Well, it doesn't show anyways.
Yeah. Okay. So then we'll put this back on first.
Joey is so patient, you guys. We've been married almost 41 years, and this is the way he is. Almost always, right, Joey?
Almost over.
He is. He's so patient. There comes her torso again.
Yeah.
Let's hope that it works right this time.
Yeah. Okay. So let's finish this part up. Everything's coming along okay. So we just got to get the dress up to where it's supposed to be at.
Is her hair getting in the way? You want me to hold that?
Oh, got it.
Okay.
Okay. Then we'll put this arm back in.
Okay.
Put it through the dress, through that protective layer. Put that one on, that one up.
Yay.
One arm on.
One arm on and one to go.
That's it. Put the second arm in,
Let's see.
through the protective thing. On.
Here it goes.
Okay. Now we'll button it up in the back.
Oh, here, let me hold her hair. She goes. She's got Velcro back there.
Now you can see that the motor's on this side. The arm goes across and it's going to activate this arm now.
Okay.
So we'll button this thing up. Can't forget to hook up the power.
How do you hook up the power?
Yeah, well, just from the box, plug into the wall.
Okay.
Got to run the cord up and just plug it in. You got to plug it in, so right here at the very front, it's where you got the voltage input right there.
Oh, okay.
So you just plug that thing into there.
Okay. There she is. You can see the lighting is really bad this way, so we're going to flip her around in a second.
Okay, alrighty, so we're getting ready to plug it in just to make sure everything's working good. Just a quick side note here, but we did notice after we got the one that has like a crack in the hand, and she had pointed out earlier the dent in the leg. They're not 100%, but it's just the way they were boxed and the way they were shipped and everything, so never going to be 100% perfect, but...
And she was the floor model. We wanted her really badly, right?
Yep, the floor model, so could have had a little bit of abuse there too. So,
yeah,
so,
and that's okay because we still love her.
Yep, so we're going to plug it in and see if we got it the way it should be now. So now we got Jack and Sally where they belong. He's got the right bow tie.
Okay.
And the right arm is moving.
So thanks, Joey, for doing this for me. You're so sweet. Thank you. And so thanks for watching, everyone, and Happy Halloween. Bye-bye, everyone.